Alright.
How do you get this much mud on the back of your boot? For fuck's sake.
You were there, Dad. You saw the weather.
How much mud's in there?
The boot though.
I think it has a water leak.
Oh, jeez. That's bad, eh? How did you do that?
No, there's water leak under here, and then it spilled everywhere when I like braked and stuff.
Oh.
Yeah. Anyway, do you want to replace these tail lights?
What, now?
Yep.
Yeah.
I'll tell everyone what's going on here.
Okay.
So, these are version 7 STI tail lights from a Bug Eye, and we have a version 8, which looks like that.
Wow.
And I used to have the proper tail lights, but then I broke them when I hit a bank.
Oh, no.
And so that we broke that one, just that one actually, the other one survived. But so I have a new set. I don't even know if I like the look of those, but we're gonna try them. It'll take me about 2 minutes and 30 seconds to change these tail lights over, but see how long it takes.
You actually want to time me?
How long it takes a co-driver. Yeah, I will actually.
Do I get to get the tools out?
Nah, no tools.
Okay.
Okay, tail lights are there. Right. Alright, stopwatch. Right, let's see how long it takes him. If he does it longer than 10 minutes.
What's the over and under on this?
If he does it longer than 10 minutes, he has to co-drive Ruarangi Road blindfolded. Go.
Alright. This is a bad start. Oh yeah. Well, actually, I might just unclip the lights. Oh no, I need a screwdriver to do that.
No, you can do it with your hand.
Well, I'm not good at that. Why would I do it only blindfolded? That's just dumb. Oh, I got the socket first try. It's a good start.
Okay, that's good.
So you probably have a something more efficient than the hand ratchet.
You can take it off. It could be faster to take a breath and get the right tools, or it could be faster to carry on as you go.
But I don't know where your impact driver is.
Oh, I can help you with it actually.
Yeah, we're a team, aren't we?
Yeah, we're a team.
So in service, if you big 4 left and it got noted wrong, noted one too fast, and you just like chuck it in there.
Yeah.
Just cook it too much.
Get to the point.
Going backwards, and then just like somehow end up backwards into a bush and like smash these into a tree. Are we changing these in service?
Yes, with all my spare tail lights that I have.
Well, you're gonna have 2 spare tail lights then.
I'm even helping him with a 10mm.
It's not even a 10mm, you muppet.
Oh. Never trust anyone.
Where's all your...
This is my fanciest toolbox.
Oh no.
My 10mm.
I need like an 8.
You'd like, the 10mm? Oh.
I took these ones.
That is 10. Oh,
This is a 10, it's not a 10. They're smaller.
That's 10.
No, but yeah.
Oh, they're
the other
not
ones,
10.
No, they're not 10.
Oh.
Oh, you've absolutely like stitched me up.
Shit, that's weird. Got a little adapter, mate. Yeah.
You've stitched me up.
Oh, where's the timer? You've got 7 minutes left.
Oh, what the heck? It's 8, man. I said 8, not 9.
Is that a 9?
I got it. Where's
Crafted signs.
Sorry, Brett.
Whew. Looking so good.
This is not good watching, eh?
No. If you're still watching this, just click off. But Nate will clip it up.
Yeah, they've only been watching for like 3 minutes at this point. Oh
You can pull it out there. Just pull
Can
it. Yeah. Just wiggle and pull.
Oh, there's one.
Yeah. Wipe the inside of that. Get all the yuck stuff out.
No, that's not part of my time.
Yeah. That's part of the job, man. You have to do the job. So. They're not fit.
Is it the wrong way around?
They're not fit. Oh, the bro gave me the wrong headlight. Tail lights, did he? Okay, hold that.
That's mean, bro.
Oh, they're wrong.
I made it small, do I with it?
Okay, well, thanks for watching.